Welcome to our 2025 guide on converting USDT to cash using your Wix website. Let's dive into what USDT is and its many uses. Why would you want to convert USDT to cash? Let's explore the benefits of having liquidity in traditional currency. The first step is setting up your Wix website to support cryptocurrency transactions. We'll guide you through that process. Next, you'll need to integrate a payment gateway that accepts USDT. Let's look at some of the best options. Now, let's take a step-by-step approach to set up various methods for converting USDT to cash. Creating a cash withdrawal option is essential. We'll show you how to make it user-friendly on your site. Compliance and security are paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Here's how to ensure you're covered. Before going live, you must test your conversion process to ensure it's seamless. Let's explore testing methods. Once your service is ready, it's time to market it. Here are some effective strategies for reaching potential users. You've now learned how to convert USDT to cash on your Wix website. Let's go over the next steps to help you get started.